Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a kitchen powerhouse that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multicooker. This isn't just another appliance, it's a culinary Swiss Army knife, aiming to consolidate a multitude of kitchen tasks into one sleek unit. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Instant Pot Duo Plus boasts an impressive 9 distinct cooking functions. We're talking pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, sous vide, steaming, sterilizing, keeping warm, rice making, and even yogurt creation. That's a lot of versatility packed into one device, and for those of us with limited counter space, this consolidation is a significant draw. The idea of replacing several appliances with one that can handle everything from a weeknight dinner to homemade yogurt is incredibly appealing. One of the standout features is its customizable smart programs. With 15 one-touch options, it aims to simplify complex recipes. Whether you're craving a hearty soup, a tender roast, or even a delicate cake, the Instant Pot Duo Plus offers preset programs designed to take the guesswork out of cooking. This level of customization is key for both beginners and experienced home cooks looking for convenience and consistency. The design of the Duo Plus focuses on user-friendliness. It features an easy-to-read display that provides real-time updates on cooking time, temperature, and pressure. This constant feedback loop is crucial for understanding what's happening inside the pot, especially for pressure cooking. And for storage, the detachable power cord is a smart touch, making it easier to tuck away neatly in your cabinets. Safety is always a paramount concern with pressure cookers, and the Duo Plus addresses this with its easy-release steam switch. This mechanism is designed for fast, safe, and simple steam release, a critical step in pressure cooking that can sometimes be intimidating. The assurance of a straightforward and secure steam release process is a major plus for user confidence. The cooking pot itself is a key component, and Instant Pot has opted for a pro-grade, durable 18/8 stainless steel construction. It features an anti-spin, tri-ply bottom, which is excellent for searing and sautéing. A good sear is the foundation of many flavorful dishes, so having a pot that performs well in this regard is a significant advantage, allowing you to achieve that perfect crust before pressure cooking. For families or those who enjoy meal prepping, the 6-quart capacity is ideal, offering enough space for up to 6 servings. This size strikes a good balance, being large enough for batch cooking or feeding a family, yet not so cumbersome that it takes up excessive space. Cleanup is often the least enjoyable part of cooking, and the Duo Plus aims to alleviate this pain point. The lid and inner pot are dishwasher safe, making the cleanup process a breeze. They even include 2 extra sealing rings and a stainless steel steam rack, ensuring you have everything you need to continue cooking without interruption and to keep your appliance in top condition. Under the hood, the Duo Plus packs 1000 watts of power, ensuring efficient cooking. It's UL and ULC listed, and features over 10 safety mechanisms, including overheat protection and an easy seal safety lid lock. This robust suite of safety features provides peace of mind, which is essential when dealing with the high pressures involved in this type of cooking. The accompanying app, which offers over 800 recipes, also adds significant value, providing a constant source of inspiration and guidance. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The sheer versatility of the 9-in-1 functionality is a massive pro. It genuinely can replace multiple appliances, saving counter space and money. The smart programs are intuitive and make cooking more accessible. The stainless steel pot is durable and excellent for searing, and the safety features are comprehensive. The dishwasher-safe components and included accessories are also great. Bonuses. However, there are a few considerations. While it's intuitive, there's still a learning curve with any new appliance, especially one as multifunctional as this. Understanding the different settings and their optimal uses might take some experimentation. The 6-quart size, while good for many, might be a bit small for very large families or those who do extensive bulk cooking. Also, while the description highlights its ability to handle dinnertime chaos, mastering all its functions to achieve that truly effortless experience will require some initial effort and recipe exploration. In conclusion, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multicooker is a remarkably versatile and capable kitchen appliance. It delivers on its promise of consolidating cooking tasks, offering convenience, and empowering home cooks with a wide array of functionalities. For anyone looking to simplify their cooking, expand their culinary repertoire, or simply declutter their kitchen, this Instant Pot is a strong contender. Link in the description.